is the Lexada stove. I think I paid maybe 12 bucks. I don't think it's the greatest, but it definitely does work. You can get a good bit of wood in it too. It's really windy out here, so I'll give it a burn. Pull this off and see what it looks like. Putting out one hell of a flame. I have to say, it's a pretty hot stove. Very hot. Very hot. I do have a top for that pot, but I'm not going to use it. I'm in no rush to heat this up. Hold some pretty big sticks. You can put long ones in, even from the top. There's plenty of places to shove sticks in. That's a good sized stick here. I think, as far as I can tell, it's about ready to boil, and I got a lot of fire left. It's a fairly tall stove. Sits up good, but it fits into this pot that I'm cooking with. The stove actually fits inside of that. Got a good rolling boil. Took 3 or 4 minutes. And got one hell of a fire going. So I feel like it's a very successful little stove. For a small container. That little pot holds the stove. The stove collapses, has 3 sections, and they go into each other, and they're about the height of this little pot. I have an alcohol bottle to compare size, because I don't want to get it too near the fire. A small alcohol stove. Show you how big this is. Give you a size reference. Alcohol stove compared to this. Now this stove would boil water and probably as fast or quicker. Who knows? Anyways, I guess that's all I wanted to do is to try it out. So that's it for now.